sheep goes ba ba ba, wool so soft from near and far. The little hen goes cluck cluck cluck, lays her eggs with gentle pluck. The spotty cow goes moo moo moo, gives us milk so fresh and true. The happy dog goes woof woof woof, guards the farm with paw and hoof. The sneaky cat goes meow meow meow, chases mice from shed to plow. The muddy pig goes oink oink oink, rolling round in mud so pink. The roaring lion strong and proud, king of beasts, his voice so loud. The cheeky monkey swings so free, jumping high from tree to tree. The big elephant stomps around with a trumpet-like sound so loud. The tiny rabbit hops so light, wiggles ears both left and right. The croaking frog leaps near the pond, sings at night with friends beyond.